Looking for a budget smartphone that doesn't compromise on performance? Tecno Spark 10 Pro may just be the phone that you've been searching for. Hey, and welcome to Tech Pineapple, your ultimate destination for all tech things. In today's video, we're thrilled to bring you a comprehensive review of the highly anticipated Tecno Spark 10 Pro. This budget-friendly smartphone has been generating buzz for its impressive specs and features, as well as its stylish design, making it a compelling option for those seeking an affordable yet powerful device. So without any further ado, let's dive into the details of Tecno Spark 10 Pro. Unboxing. Tecno Spark 10 Pro comes packed with a USB-C to USB-A data transfer and charging cable, an 18-watt wall charger, a SIM tray ejection pin, a set of earphones, and a transparent silicone case. It's great to see earphones included in this package, considering that some brands don't even include a charger nowadays. Design and build quality. The Spark 10 Pro features a modern design with a 6.8-inch display and medium-sized bezels. It has a hole-punch selfie camera at the top middle area and a well-designed earphone slot. The back panel is made up of starry glass, a scratch-resistant material that feels smooth to touch. The phone is available in two color options, pearl white and starry black. The plastic frame is well built, and the phone has dimensions of 168.4 x 76.2 x 8.4 millimeters, weighing in at 208 grams. Hardware and storage. Under the hood, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro boasts an impressive set of hardware components that work together to deliver a smooth and responsive user experience. Powered by an octa-core processor and coupled with an 8GB RAM, this budget smartphone ensures that multitasking is a breeze, whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or playing your favorite games. One of the key selling points of the Tecno Spark 10 Pro is its generous storage capacity of 128GB to 256GB, depending on the variant. With the option to expand the internal storage via micro SD card, you'll have plenty of room for all your apps, photos, and other digital files. The device also features a dedicated micro SD slot, allowing you to easily swap out cards whenever you need more storage space. In terms of connectivity, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro is well equipped with support for 4G LTE networks, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. The inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone jack is a welcome addition for those who prefer wired audio, and the USB Type-C port ensures fast charging and data transfer capabilities. Display. The Tecno Spark 10 Pro features a stunning 6.8-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 x 2460 pixels, resulting in a crisp and vibrant viewing experience. The large screen size and SIM bezels make for an immersive experience, whether you're watching movies, playing games, or simply just browsing through your social media feeds. One standout feature of the display is its high refresh rate, which offers smoother scrolling and more fluid animations, particularly when navigating through the user interface or playing games. This is a rare find in budget smartphones and sets the Tecno Spark 10 Pro apart from its competitors in this price range. Additionally, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro's display boasts excellent brightness levels, making it easy to use the device outdoors, even in direct sunlight. The color reproduction is accurate, and the wide viewing angles ensure that the display remains visible and distortion-free when viewed from different angles. Camera features. The main highlight of the Spark 10 Pro is its impressive 32-megapixel AI selfie camera. It offers several features such as customized beauty adjustment, smart AI, smooth skin tone adjustment, 3D sculpting or nose shape, and eye shape adjustments. The rear camera setup consists of a 50-megapixel main lens and two additional lenses, which support HDR, Super Night Mode, and Panorama. The phone can also shoot 120 by 240 FPS slow-motion videos and 2K time-lapse videos. Software. The Spark 10 Pro runs on Android 13 with the latest version of HiOS 12.6. The software offers plenty of customization options and features, but comes preloaded with some bloatware and ads. Thankfully, you can remove any unwanted apps and make the software more user-friendly. Battery and charging. The phone packs a massive 5000 mAh battery, which can provide up to 2 days of light usage or 1 day of medium usage. With a screen on time of around 8 to 9 hours, the battery performance is impressive. The included 18-watt wall charger can fully charge the phone in about 2.5 hours. Pricing. The starting price of Tecno Spark 10 Pro is $129, only making it one of the most affordable phones with a great front as well as a back camera and some solid features. What are your thoughts about Tecno Spark 10 Pro? Let us know by leaving a comment down below, and do make sure to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Finally, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Tech Pineapple for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and news. Don't miss out on latest and greatest in the world of technology. Join the Tech Pineapple family today.